So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from your Exness account, right? So the first, you need to come over to withdrawal. You can do it with your laptop or with your mobile phone, right? So you all have to just come to withdrawal. As you can see, you have many payments method here. How you can withdraw your money. You can use online bank, school, and stick pay. But the one we are going to use in this video is online bank, right? We're going to use online bank. You can use others if you want, right? As you can see, here is this online bank method, right? As you can see the currency is showing here Nigeria. You can also change it from here if you like, and you can see from which account you can choose from MT5 or investment wallet, right? Anywhere you have money, like you can choose the wallet you want to like withdraw from, right? For the sake of this video, it's just a new account. I do not have any money on this account, right? So I'm just putting in like 100,000 to show you that any amount you put here, it will show here in your currency, whether you live in Nigeria or you live in Dubai or live in somewhere, right? Your currency will show here, right? So there is it. As you can see, I don't have enough money here. That's why showing all this thing. All you have to just put in your money and just click on continue, and it will show you a way that you can continue, proceed, and withdraw your money, right? As you can see, I put in just 10,000 naira, and it show me my currency here in Nigeria, right? Okay. So and again, this is what you can also do if you go to this frequently asked question here, right? If you click here, right, this is something that many people don't do if they want to withdraw money from their account, right? Maybe you have any issue or you are still having problem, meaning you want to withdraw but you're still having problem, right? You can still come here in this help center of Exness. You can see where I click, right? As you can see, they have another helpful video. This video is always updated. That's why I love it, right? They always update this video for in case of any issue, someone having an issue. Okay, as you can see the video right here. Let me play it, let you see for the sake of this video. Right, so as you can see now, this video has been finished. You can see how the withdraw money easily, right? So this is how you can easily withdraw money from your Exness account through this frequently asked question, right? Maybe if you have any issue, right, you can still do that, and you can come to account your transaction history, right? You can see how your transactions are going, which transaction types, deposit, withdrawal, transfer, your reward, your refund. You can see all of this here. You can see your all status, proceed. You can see all your information about your transaction you did, your deposit, all of them you can see right here. The last 7 days, you can see all of these things here, right? Another cool thing again, you can also use another payment method if you like, right? You can use screw, right? You can use screw if you like, but again, you can come to crypto wallet right here. You can see all the money you have in your crypto wallet right here, right? You can also use screw if you want to. Maybe you have money in your screw. You put money in your screw, right? You can see you use screw as a payment method to withdraw your money, right? As you can see, is the currency is showing USD here. You can put in your account type, whether it's investment wallet. Here you just have to put in your amount you want. As you can see, the currency is shown here in USD, right? So I'm just putting in the price. As I said earlier, this account is just new account, so I don't have any money in this account, right? So as you can see, you can use Crude, you can use Netlife, you can use Stick Pay. As you can see again, the account is showing in USD, and you can also choose euros, right? So as you can see, all you have to just click on withdraw and your money will be withdraw, right? And if you have any question, you can still go to that frequently asked question and see the updated video, so that you can also always check that which payment method always work, right? So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video.